So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna demonstrate the Ubuntu GUI interface and I am using 16.04 ISO file running on Oracle VM VirtualBox. So let's start the image. It's loading up. So finally our Ubuntu logo is coming up. It's asking for my password. Let's give it. So while you are entering your credential, then it scans to this interface, okay? So let me brief this interface. So first one is the search utility of Ubuntu. You can use it to search an application. Suppose I want to search any like system application utilities, then I can do system settings. Okay. So whatever application you are searching, just type few alphabet of it and it's go to that part. Okay, the next is our files. So here you can see that there are n number of directories present here. So suppose I want to see my desktop applications or the desktop files, then just simply click on that. Currently it is empty, so you can see here in our desktop nothing is present. Suppose I have create one demo folder, then I just go to the files, then I check it the desktop. So here it is present here. Okay, so then as simple you can check for the document downloads and the music and the pictures. Okay, let's move to the next part. So the next one is a Firefox web browser. So this is a built-in web browser coming with the Ubuntu. Okay, so you can use it like your Chrome. Okay, so you can search here as in Chrome. Okay, suppose I want to go to the Finder, then it's go to that website. Okay, it's simply a web browser. Okay, so next is LibreOffice Writer. So it's a application and open source suite named LibreOffice. It's kind of similar to the MS Word of Windows, like which are using in our Windows. You can do basic operation like select all, control B to bold, and you can just simply save this file. Okay, control S. So I am not gonna save this file. I just simply close it, don't save. The next application is LibreOffice Calc. It's similar to MS Excel. Okay, Microsoft Windows MS Excel. Okay, the next one is LibreOffice Impress. So it's kind of similar to the MS PowerPoint. So you can make attractive presentations. You can check there are various type of option presents to make an interactive presentation. The next one is similar to our uh, App Store. So this is Ubuntu software, Ubuntu App Store. You can just simply type the name. Suppose I want use code, that is surfing for that. So here it's display some. You can use like suppose you want to install genome calculator, then simply click on it and then install button. You have to give your password again, then authenticate, and here you can see that our installation process is start. Okay, so in that way you can install by using this Ubuntu software feature utility. So its size up to 2.7 MB for this calculator. Okay, I just skip this. And next there is a built-in software of Amazon. So it's you can surf here and you can shop from this app. And the next, the most important is system setting. So you can access the system setting and there are n number of options present here. You can tweak your appearance, like I have to suppose change my background, then I just simply click on whatever we are using and then it's okay. Let's close this again. I not want to save it. So our background is changes successfully. Okay. Then let's come to the top part. So this icon shows the network information, like whether you are connected your Ethernet or whether you are connected your wireless connections. Suppose you are using Wi-Fi. Okay. And the next option is our whatever we are language we are using. Currently, I am using English US. The third icon displays our battery information. So it's currently show 49%. You can change some settings here also, like battery percent or charging or something else. So you can go in that part. Okay. The next option is I can control my speaker volumes. Okay. And the last, this gear icon shows the about information. Suppose I go to this about this computer, then it display our device information. So we can understand that part, like our device name is this Rahul VirtualBox, and I currently allocated 4 gigs of RAM, and I'm currently using Ryzen 5 5600H series processor, and it's have a Radeon graphic card, and I'm using graphics of LLM VM 6.0 and my OS is 64-bit architecture and currently I'm allocating a hard drive of 106 GB. Okay, and you can see here the default application we are using. So for web browsing I use Firefox, for the mails purpose I use Thunderbird, and for the music I use Rhythmbox, and going on. Okay, the next part is I want to show you the most important feature of this Linux Ubuntu. So I just simply press Control Alt T. So it gives our terminal. So mostly you are interacting with this CLI. So you can see by using ls. So there are various type of directories present here. Okay. So while you are working on Linux, then you are frequently use terminal. So in my next video, I try to wind up this terminal. Okay, so let's skip this part and let's come to this how we can shut down finally. So this is our graphical tour of this Ubuntu image. Then I just go to the shutdown button and just simply click on that, and we are successfully shut down. Thank you.